Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix your earphones if one of them is not working well. So let's start. So guys, let me first tell you about what are the causes of broken headphones or if one of them is not working. So first reason could be an electrical short in the wire that transmits sounds. Second reason could be malfunctioning earpieces, so they might be a malfunction in your earphones. And the third reason could be a defective jack plug. Fourth problem is with the audio jack. So if your mobile audio jack is not working well, then there is a chance one of them your earphones will not work properly. Headphones, you must identify the source of the problem. So here are the some troubleshooting tips that can help you to figure out why your headphones are not working well. First, plug the headphones in and listen for the audio. If the sound is cutting in and out, bend the cable as you listen for the feedback. If you can hear sound audio when the cables are positioned in a certain way, then there is an electrical shock and you need to repair the headphones wire. Gently push the plug into the audio jack and see if there is a sound you can hear, and then you need to fix this audio jack first. Use another pair of working headphones, and if you didn't hear anything, you may need to fix the audio jack first, because if nothing working out in your audio jack, then there might be a problem with your audio jack. If the problem lies with the wire, you may be able to fix your headphones without cutting them open. As you twist, bend, straighten or adjust the cord, you might hear the sound as the damaged wire is touched. Use this strategy to determine where exactly the position where the faulty connection is. Short usually occurs near the earphones or the jack. And when you find the position that allows you to hear the sound, hold the cord with your fingers. Continue holding the pressure on the cable as you wrap the electrical tape around the short. Just wrap a tape around it where you find the position where the actual faulty connection is. So you can use the electrical tape or a cello tape. So basically we are using the tape to maintain the pressure fingers. So now we are going to maintain the pressure by the tape. And try to make it tight as much as possible. Try to bend the cord over on itself and tapping it together at the knee kink to prevent it from the moving. This step may be able to fix your headphones problem without cutting them open. And if this steps doesn't solve your problem, then other option is you need to cut the wire where the faulty connection is, and you can use the scissors or a sharp blade to cut it out.